In this video, I'm going to install a single pole Meross wall switch. It's designed for Apple HomeKit. So the one I'm going to do is on my garage. This is a single pole outlet, and I'm going to replace the regular standard one with one that's the Meross so that I can control it with my HomeKit. All right, so I'm going to look for the circuit breaker, which is this one. I'll look at my garage lights. They're off. So we've taken care of the circuit breaker. Cover plate is off, and now I'll go ahead and remove this. In the box, this comes as a 2-pack, single pole. In the box, we've got our switch. And in it are some nuts. Some little tabs. And the instruction booklet. With my existing, I have the in and the out. Here is a neutral, which you can see is connected to these other two smart switches, but not connected here. So there's my neutral. Back here is my ground, and then one of these will be in, one of these will be out. Doesn't matter which one. So I'm now set. My lights are on. I click this. Lights are off. And lights are on. I may go ahead and program it now to make sure everything works. You'll set up the Meross switch to work with HomeKit by starting with the Meross app. And when it gets to the HomeKit, it's going to ask you for the code, and that's this code right here on the switch itself. You'll input that code, and then it will add to HomeKit. Siri, turn off garage light. Siri, turn on garage light. There you have it. Now I'll be putting everything back together again, and I have now my smart switch installed. Simple as that.